everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Embed, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! In this video, I'll teach you some useful tricks on Discord that could save your time and money. But before that, only 4.9% of you have subscribed. If you want to have a better chance of getting free Nitro, then join my Discord server and subscribe now. I'm sure when you tried to send an image or add an emoji, it showed this pop-up from Discord. So you probably went to resize your image from one of these websites. Well, no need for that. Just go to your folders. Click the image if you're in Windows 11, of course. Click the 3 dots icon. There you'll find Resize Image option. Now the way I go about it is, I click percentage and decrease it to 20%. That reduces both the size and the quality of the image by 20%. But the downside is it's only for the PC users. Are you curious about how to get free embeds like I do? There's a website called DiscoHook. You can go and create infinite embeds. It's free. I've made a whole damn video on it, so check it out after this one. After making the embed, if you want to edit it later, just bookmark it. You can make any changes you want. It is required when you make rule embed or roll embed. This will save both your time and money. This is how big servers operate really. Have you ever wondered that you can mention all and any text channels you want, but you can't mention voice channel using hashtag? No worries, just copy the channel ID number, the type in hashtag. You need to paste the channel ID in that, and suddenly you can see the channel. Now let's do the role too. You need to copy the role ID if you somehow have access to it, and then type in at and paste the role ID in it. Now unlike voice channel, you can mention role by typing at if you have perm in the server, but this trick is used to mention it inside an embed. Now this could be my personal problem, but when I try to decorate channel's name, Discord puts that ugly dash symbol which makes it look less aesthetic. To avoid that, just add a dot there. You must have seen these timestamps. When you hover over it, it will show your local time. How to do it? I use this website that I just discovered. Select a date first. I'll keep August 16th. Then select time. Let's keep something after 1 hour. In type, I'll just keep short time because it seems sensible to me. Now I will copy this code that the website has created for me and will just paste it in the chat. Next time when you want to say time to someone, you can use this trick. When you have international members, this time will be seen in their local time. Like Americans would see this as maybe 10 a.m. or something. So anyway, this is it, folks. If you enjoy watching the video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server because to make a server, you need decor and layouts, and we give them for free. So yep, I am tuckered out. See y'all in the next video.